Have you been avoiding Microsoft's new Outlook because it feels unfinished? Well, Microsoft has just confirmed several major updates that could finally make new Outlook a real replacement for Outlook Classic. Let's quickly go through the 5 biggest features coming soon. First, Microsoft is adding an All Accounts view, also known as a unified inbox. Just like Gmail's All Inboxes feature, you'll be able to see emails from all your connected accounts in one place without constantly switching between inboxes. Second, Outlook is getting a much better Favorites folder experience. Your favorite folders will appear in a dedicated list, making them easier to access with a single click. Third, Microsoft is adding more control over folder counts. You'll be able to choose whether Outlook shows unread emails or the total number of items inside a folder. Fourth, one of the most requested features is finally returning, mail merge support. Users will be able to send personalized emails to multiple recipients while keeping each message separate and professional. And finally, Microsoft is bringing back PST support. Starting in 2026, users will be able to import contacts and calendar data from PST files, making migration from Outlook Classic much easier. Microsoft is also adding calendar improvements, basic conditional formatting, and deeper Copilot integration. Most of these features are expected to arrive between July and September 2026. So the question is, are these updates enough to make you switch from Outlook Classic to new Outlook? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Microsoft, Windows 11, AI, and tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.